So, credit scores, down payment, and mortgage points remain key levers shaping 2025 home ownership access. Strong credit scores unlock lower rates, large down payments reduce PMI, and mortgage points cut interest cost. Mortgage rates may stabilize near 6% by late 2025.